Our kids are certainly more vulnerable, and it is important to keep them warm and healthy. We should not spare the investment in a good and functioning heater, especially during winter time. We need to ensure that they are always warm and comfortable. Do take a look at this wonderful heater, the Versanel VSL1500H6E6 Element Portable Quartz Infrared Heater. This heater is made of 6 metal-wrapped infrared quartz elements, with each element acts as its own heat exchanger, producing more heat output. It is lightweight and safe. It is built with a fireproof cabinet equipped with tip-over and overheat safety features. It has 3 energy-saving settings, including an eco setting that will heat smaller areas to 68 degrees using only 500 watts. It has reusable lifetime air filter and remote control, and is able to heat an area up to 1,000 square feet. Isn't that great? Check out Versanel VSL1500H6E6 Element Portable Quartz Infrared Heater by clicking on this button today.